ng Nueva Vizcaya. Ang kabangisan ng mga gaddang ang tumuldok sa digmaan. Sa paglipas ng panahon, sila ay nanatiling bukas sa pakikipagkapwa sa iba't ibang pangkat etniko. Naging takbuhan ng iba't ibang lahi ang bayan ng Bayumbong na pinagbubuklod ng respeto at pagtanggap sa pagkakaiba-iba. Umusbong sa bayan ang pagdami ng paaralan na may matataas na kalidad. Kaya naman, dinarayo ng kalapit ng mga lalawigan at naging sentro ng edukasyon ang Cabecera. Magkakaiba man ang ating mga pangkat etniko, tayo ay katulad ng mga Mirasol sa Sunflower Farm sa Paitan. Sabay-sabay pa rin titindi, magkakasamang hahanapin ang ating araw, ang ating kasiyahan at ang pag-asa. Ating tunghayan ang pagtatanghal ng Bonfal National High School ng Bayumbong, Matola Yogadang.
I want to sit down. Yan, o dito.
Vizcaya. Tara na, buong pamilya. Tayo na, tayo na, tayo na, tayo na, tayo na. Tayo na. Sama-sama. Tayo na, sa Nueva Vizcaya. Tara na, buong pamilya. Tayo na, tayo na, tayo na, tayo na, tayo na.
That is the performance of Bayombo.
And now please welcome the municipality of Solano.
Vibrant, radiant, blossoming, enchanting. These words encapsulate the essence of the endemic fire or bagbag tree of Nueva Vizcaya. Rooted deeply in its captivating beauty is a tale of courage from our Gadang ancestors. The fire tree blooms from April to May, marking a time of ancient rituals, including head hunting, which tested one's mettle and masculinity. Guided by faith, healers performed rituals believing spirits possess successful head hunters. This narrative of courage stands as a testament that Nueva Vizcaya is bound not just by the beauty of our natural resources, but also by its rich cultural history. Join us as we journey through time, celebrating the fire tree's splendor and the bravery it represents through this rituals presentation of Solano, represented by Solano High School.
gentlemen, that was the municipality of Solano. And now we shall welcome the municipality of Quezon.
Behind the natural beauty of Quezon, such as green mountains, breathtaking waterfalls, man-made structures, and product, is its perfectly preserved simple Ilocano life and their ultimate dreams. This is an original story of Mario, whose marginalized family reflects the commitment of the community people to toil the fertile land of Quezon in order to support their children's saranggola, a formal education diploma. With their traditional way of farming, such as carabao and planting, care of the rice, they represent hope, determination, and compassion towards success. Metaphorically, this repertoire echoes persistence and hard work. Despite all the birds attacking the golden grains, Quezonian persevere to protect them by using the sound of bamboo and by guarding them using the bambandi. Just like Mario, who is dedicated to succeed in his education. As the community unites to the dream, the sound of Tanguyog reverberates as they call to preserve the culture of Inamuyu or local bayanihan to the tune of Manawang folk dance during harvest season. Let us all connect to this creative interpretation of the Amungan Festival, exuding a culture rich, a festive spirit, and a symbolic life of every Nova Vizcayano. Intayo, maawis kayo, agayaman tayo, agragsak tayo, mula sa bayan ng Quezon, sabay-sabay nating tunghayan ang kultura ng mga Ilocano at ang kwento ng saranggola ni Mario.
Quezon.
Now I've been recording for 15 minutes.
Quezon, aming mahal na bayan, ang lahat ay namamangka. Talisay na tubig sa mapaliyaw at lintungan, biyaya para sa ating kapakanan.
Buong ang bayan ng Quezon, isang pamayanang may kwento. Kwento ng payak, pangarap, kagaya ng Mario at ang kanyang pamilya.
Mairugi, ipanagbiag ni nakakasi, anak na kang may sa anak may pagpalahis sa bali na ino.
Nanang, tatang, kaya ko tumagadol iti kolehiyo.
Aligaron anak ko, taulan lang uramay tayo, kat isakat mi, panagadan mo.
Anak ko, uri may satayo ng mamanalo, kat sa puso mi, ipagtutulpusan ka ka.
Aligaron, lalang kay tatang, ikarik, ni agtulpusak.
Kapsak, ibayo nagtalon!
Arigato na pagpipinagadal ko. Ay na anak ko, ikarkarikatam. Akas ito'y kapagayan ko, doon kat pati kami yung ipati arapa ako adong tumaapit. Arigato na lang, kaya di kakati at lupos, akas agas, di ba niyo kinitatang. Kapsa! Danggayan nagkagapit! Ken maawis kayong tono, turpos de putot ko! Intayon nagapit! Intayon kakapsat!
Lawit Mario Pinwag, Quezon, Nueva Vizcaya, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, cum laude.
Yes, I know we are not done.
Amuhay Festival!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, contender number 6, Round Castle.